Onpassive final whistle. I watched a local football match in a school playing ground. As I sat down, I asked one of the boys what the score was. With a smile, he replied, "They are leading us 3-0. And I said, "Really? I have to say you don't look discouraged." Discouraged? The boy asked with a puzzled look. Why should I be discouraged when the referee has not blown the final whistle? I have confidence in the team and the managers, we shall definitely overcome. Truly, the match ended 5-4 in favor of the boys' team. He waved at me gently, with a beautiful smile as he left. I was amazed, mouth wide open, such confidence, such beautiful faith. As I got back home that night, his question kept coming back to me. Why should I be discouraged when our Onpassive referee's MUFAREH has not blown the final whistle? Life is like a game. Why be discouraged, when there is still life? Why be discouraged when your final whistle has not sounded? The truth is that many people blow the final whistle themselves. But as long as there is life, nothing is impossible and it is never too late for you. Half-time is not full time. Let the game of Onpassive complete, don't blow the whistle yourself. Dr. Idris Modi.